so light. Red egg, blue egg, yellow too. Green egg, purple egg, peekaboo. Orange egg, pink egg, come and play. Colorful eggs all day. Blue egg near the tree. Rolling, rolling, come to me. It's so shiny, it's so cool. Blue like water in the pool. Yellow egg, what a sight. Yellow like the sunshine light. It jumps high and it jumps low. Follow the egg, let's go, go, go. Red egg, blue egg, yellow too. Green egg, purple egg, peekaboo. Orange egg, pink egg, come and play. Colorful eggs all day. Green egg hides behind the gate. Let's go find it, don't be late. Green like grass, green like trees, blowing gently in the breeze. Purple egg, where are you? Under the flowers, peekaboo. Purple like the grapes I eat, soft and bouncy, oh so sweet. Red egg, blue egg, yellow too. Green egg, purple egg, peekaboo. Orange egg, pink egg, come and play. Colorful eggs all day. Orange egg goes rolling fast. Let's go catch it, not too fast. Orange like a pumpkin face, bouncing all around the place. Pink egg laughs and spins around. Happy egg upon the ground. Pink like flowers, pink like fun, dancing in the morning sun. Red egg, blue egg, yellow too. Green egg, purple egg, peekaboo. Orange egg, pink egg, hooray! Colorful eggs all day. Colors, colors, now we know. Eggs that roll and eggs that glow.